Rich in antioxidants, the banana coffee face mask rejuvenates dull skin, improves circulation, and offers a refreshing aroma. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY banana coffee face mask. Blend mashed banana. The silica in bananas can help the skin increase the production of collagen, a natural protein that helps retain water and smooth the skin. Plus, bananas contain a number of substances that can help with skin health, including potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin A. 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. It contains many nutrients like antioxidants and vitamins that help remove toxins from the skin cells. They also improve blood circulation in the skin layers, thus helping reduce inflammation. A teaspoon of honey. Apply all over your face and neck. Leave for 15 minutes, and rinse off for refreshed and revitalized skin.